Hey guys, I just got myself a HydroCap from Waatr, which is pretty awesome. This thing basically shoots UV light into your hydro flask or thermal flask or your water bottle to basically kill like germs and stuff. So this is pretty awesome. It's very compact design. It looks just like your typical cap for your hydro flask, which is nice, and it fits the wide mouth hydro flask. And they have different sizes for this too. There is a single button on top that basically once you push it, it purifies the water by shooting UV light into it. And there's different modes where you can automatically clean your water bottle throughout the day, where it cleans the water bottle by shooting UV light. After it's all done purifying the water, it does turn green and turns off, which is pretty cool. And there are also drink reminders too. Now, to charge it, you need a proprietary little plug that comes with, and it's not a USB port, it's just a regular plug. So after you're done, it turns green and you just take that off. Otherwise, it basically has an orange ring that goes around. I just washed mine with soap and water, and the seal is really hard to take out. I found that was kind of annoying too. Here are the compatibilities of brands and sizes for this HydroCap to other bottles. There's different sizes that it has as well. But overall, it's pretty interesting. I really do like the concept. I like the fact that I could, use this UV light to purify the water that I have because I use a lot of fountain water and also refill stations. So this is pretty awesome. I really do like this. This is really cool. Here are the instructions if you want to take a look at it. The charging mode, it takes like 3 to 4 hours of initial charge. The battery life, indicator, you just hit the button once and then it'll tell you whether it's orange, red, or green, the different levels. And there's different modes too, whether it's normal purification for like tap water or pro purification for like like river water, I guess. But it's pretty neat in terms of what it does, and the concept is awesome. I really do like this. Anyways, guys, it's Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.